I'm greet you and all of them. I'm great that is my teacher. Today we are last for final contest between Al-Imra Stars and Al-Imra Flying Eagles. It is came from that the being for that myself that I'm came from the Flying Eagles must be that I'm sure to make proud with you because I'm saying to you the way that in the measures for that welcome.
Open you too, my dear bro.
Oh, I think you are afraid with me, but don't afraid with me because you are talk about it because we sharing for something together in my for that specialist contest final. But today, what have prepared for?
I have many things. If you want to discuss a topic, I have. If you want to quarrel, I have. What do you want?
Oh, do you need a quarrel? Because I think that bad person, so I think that is my penis and my dignity will be level than you. But you say to me, I don't want it to be too nice for you because you are not able to me in my comfort.
My dear bro, I don't want to quarrel, but if your face seems to me, listen to me, give me my chance. We are students, we are coming here to learn something. I don't want a quarrel, but you are a student, I am a student.
Oh, do you think to you, I'm wanted to make quarrel. So you are mistake me because rectify what I'm saying to you. So my bro, I'm saying to you, but you don't know what that the student, because if you are a student must be what you are that three kinds that in student, because we are a student must be for example, I am a student, you know that in my high level to be level than you, but he said to me that the call I mean the person who wanted to take pride with me, he said to me that's all. Do you want to survive with me? Because I think that you are that I'm not bidding for that debate with me. A lot that you are angry with me. Oh, but say to me, thank you for that you did it. So a lot that you are afraid with me because saying to me whatever the call I mean the Bible just stand in front of me. Do you cry?
I'm not crying.
Oh, with me. Say to me that is a hand for that experience.
My dear bro, it's big abusing. Don't you know? Oh, listen to me. Give me. Listen to me. Listen to me. Listen to me. What is wrong with you? I listen to you.
I'm crazy now.
Oh, my dear bro, I don't want your advice. You are not my teacher. Teacher is my brother.
Who is a brother?
Teacher is my brother.
That's a brother.
Yes.
Do you know?
Yes, I know. But you don't know.
I think it's a brother is your teacher. Say a brother is your teacher. It's not my teacher. He's my father and he's my friend. He said to me what I'm saying, my father. He's a teacher only. That's my father.
My dear bro, stop a quarrel. Start my conversation.
Oh, bro, last night that you made for that. If you are barbarian for that, black and white, you can be for that. He said to me, you are confused. I bet it's a teacher. It's not my teacher, it's my friend. But he said to me, it's my mother, and it's my father. And he said, everything that is the do. But he said to me, it's the one of love in life. But he said to me, that is Abadir. It's not Abadir. His name, who's asking that name? Ask him that name.
Oh. Listen to me. Listen to me.
What is his name?
Listen to me. What is wrong with you? Are you a mad person?
Yeah,
listen to me. What is wrong? Every student is staying here. Abadir is my teacher. All of us, we are. Abadir is my father, is my mother. Abadir is my teacher. All of us. But don't you know the prophet of Somalia says, teacher is the second of your father. But your face.
Hello, that is a bad is your teacher. He said to me, it's my father.
What is wrong with you?
Oh, wait, take a chance.
Yeah.
I'm odious.
Give me my chance and take your chance. If I get a microphone, it's big.
You want to need a quarrel, so I'm not need to be a quarrel because teacher is...
I don't want a quarrel because we are students. We are coming here to improve our knowledge.
I was the Bible that we...
No, if you have any topic, just okay. We can discuss.
Or if I'm just at a topic, do you the patent that the topic? How do you see if we talk about NLB?
NLB.
Yeah. Do you understand what I mean NLB? I mean never look back.
Oh, yesterday I was here. This topic saying another student is. We went to discuss NLB.
This guy said to me that's NLB. This guy.
This guy, what does?
This guy. Say.
Oh, what?
Does that mean
Who is
that's
guy? What?
NLB?
Oh, listen to me. What is wrong?
Every day listen to
Oh,
me.
I don't want that topic. If you don't have a good topic, I can choose. If you don't have a good topic.
Okay, just it.
Oh, if I choose a topic, we can discuss Teacher Abadir. Oh, I can ask you first question. Can you tell me the full name of my teacher, Abadir?
I think, my bro, that I'm told you a lot there. Don't laugh in, and don't say stop properly. But he said to me, but I'm just.
Answer my question.
No, wait me, wait me.
Wait me. Answer my question. I can ask you a question. Answer my question.
I think that's not question.
Oh, answer my question.
Okay, master.
I don't want you to talk because I not answer my question.
I think that I'm rejected your question.
Oh, my dear bro, you don't have anything and you give me the microphone.
Wait me.
Yeah,
Don't shy, and don't
Give me.
me. I'm told you.
That is the what is wrong?
Bro, you wanna be a less nice person. He said to me, wait me, we have a chance to make practice.
I can give you a chance.
Wait me, but I'm told you what my mind to ask it with me.
Thank you very much.